Today, we're diving into something super cool, the domino effect. Imagine a line of colorful dominoes, standing tall and ready to tumble. When you push the first one, watch what happens. It tips over and knocks down the next one, and the next, and the next. That's the magic of the domino effect. In the book The One Thing, this idea teaches us that tiny actions can lead to big results. Just like those dominoes, if we focus on one important thing, we can create amazing changes. Let's say you want to become a great soccer player. If you practice dribbling just 10 minutes each day, guess what? Over time, you'll be a superstar. What if we apply this to our daily lives? Picture a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it gathers more snow and grows bigger. So every day, if you tackle just one small task, you build momentum. It can be as simple as reading one page of a book. Each page leads to another, and soon you've read a whole chapter. Now, think about your friendships. When you show kindness to one friend, that kindness can spread. It's like tossing a pebble into a pond. The ripples keep expanding. When you smile at someone, they might smile back, and it goes on and on. You have the power to create happiness all around you. Let's imagine your school. What if everyone chose to help just one classmate each day? Soon, your school would be overflowing with friendships and laughter. That's the domino effect in action. Remember, it all starts with one tiny action. What's one thing you can do today? Maybe help your parents with chores or start a fun project. Each small step creates a chain reaction of awesomeness. As you go home today, think about your own line of dominoes. What action will you push first? Let's build a world of kindness, fun, and greatness together. Because when we focus on our one thing, amazing things happen. Keep pushing those dominoes.